What's up, guys? Welcome back. Just a quick update on my riding lately. Have not been doing it so much lately. I have probably come out like 3 times since the crash about 6 weeks ago. A few reasons behind that. After the crash, it started raining for like a month over here in the Houston area. So all my trail was, most like 90% of the trail was underwater. The water was all the way up to here. Very bad. And the other thing is that my chest pain had not gone away completely. I'm riding today for the first time in the trail because I ran on the street a couple of times, but it's actually the first time on the trail. I'm almost 6 miles in, 44 minutes almost, and up to this spot I'm usually around 39 minutes, so I'm a little slow right now. And I guess that's gotta be for a few different reasons. There's a lot of trees down, like a lot of them. There's one right there. I almost crashed into another one a little bit ago, but thankfully there's another one right there. That one is not on the way though. Back then there's another one, and somebody actually put like a fluorescent green tape on it, so I was able to stop on time. And like 5 more down trees overall blocking the way, so you have to take alternate routes that are not there. Now, besides that, another thing that is bothering me right now is that I don't feel fully confident as I used to 6 weeks ago because of the crash, I believe. Like a couple of descendants that I did shorts a few weeks ago, I'm not hitting those. I don't feel comfortable about them yet, so hopefully this summer I can come back and get in good shape and actually ride like I used to. Like I said, there's still pain over here where I hit my chest. It's way better, it's more manageable than before, but it does hurt a lot still, especially when I sneeze. I try not to sneeze and just hold it in because it is very painful. Right now it's almost 100 degrees over here in the Houston area. If you're from this side of town, you know that is true. And I just wanted to give a quick update of what's going on. This is officially my first day of vacation. This is my last day at the school today. So all I gotta do is real estate stuff, renew my license, things like that. Hopefully get a few days off, get some vacation, some much needed vacation with my family, and we'll see about that. But other than that, I just want to give you a heads up, keep you posted on what's going on. If you like this type of quick checks up, give it a thumbs up, leave it down in the comments below. I also want to do like a Q&A soon for the 700 subscriber Q&A. So if you have any questions that you would like to ask for me to answer, take this video and leave them down in the comments below. I'm not gonna edit these videos. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish recording and upload it to YouTube from my phone. So again, 700 Q&A. Leave me the questions below. Make sure they're appropriate. I'm not gonna answer any inappropriate questions. Mosquitoes are killing me right now. And yeah, thanks everybody who's been there since the beginning. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Help me reach that 1,000 subscriber goal real quick. I think I'm already at 4K hours, so just by getting to the 1,000 subscribers, it'll be a lot. You know, I still have the mongoose on the box. I haven't opened it yet. I think I'm gonna keep it, just take it slow. And I straighten up those bars. I don't know if the video is out. I think it is. And if it's not, it's gonna come out soon. But other than that, thank you for being there since the beginning. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can just go ahead and check the link in the description below. If you want to see some other videos, check the playlist. I have a lot of them. I have projects going on. I haven't finished with the Quasimodo. I haven't finished with my wife's. I haven't finished with my sons. I haven't started the Blackcom. And yeah, other than that, that's it for this one, guys. Thank you for staying with me here today. Thank you for riding with me, and I'll see you on the trails. Q&A coming soon. Leave the questions below. Goodbye.